Look at those. The gorillas have taken over my camp again and destroyed just about everything. Except they finally got my Jeep to turn over. Wow. Yeah, I couldn't do that this morning. I was almost late to work. Believe it or not, those gorillas are fantastic mechanics. They probably used a monkey wrench, but I don't know. Anyways, we're now crossing into the Nile River, which is famous for being the longest river in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably just in disbelief. Yeah. Now, if you look right here on your right, you'll see an African bull elephant. Fun fact about African bull elephants, they can actually jump 10,000 feet when pushed out of an airplane. Crazy, right? Now, if you look up ahead on your right-hand side, you'll see the African belt. This is where all the animals of the jungle come to get water. Here you can find some long-necked cheetahs. Those things that reign over Mufasa. Back there, some funny-looking deer, some vultures. And if you look up here on this rock, you'll see a pride of lions protecting a sleeping zebra. Yeah, that's exactly how zebras sleep, on a rock, surrounded by lions, neck slightly bent, eyes rolled back in their head. Man, I wonder what's going through his head. Probably teeth. Anyway, sorry, moving along. If you look up ahead here, you'll see my old safari crew. Now, ever since I left, they've been going through a lot of ups and downs. Yeah, I tried to warn them too. I said, guys, there is no way that you can outrun a rhino. They didn't believe me, but they'll get the point in the end. Yeah, I don't know about all of you. I sure wouldn't want to be the low man on that totem pole. Yeah. I mean, but hey, at least you're not the zebra, you know? It could always be worse. Now, if you look directly up ahead here, you'll see this beautiful, rumbling waterfall. Up ahead is historic Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls is very special to all of us skippers here at the Jungle Cruise because Schweitzer Falls is named after the founder of our jungle navigation company, Dr. Albert Falls.
No, we're not.
Yeah, I know. It's a little confusing, but don't worry. We will go over it later. First, I want all of you to feel that lovely jungle mist. Feel that lovely mist. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it actually contains 90 different types of exotic tropical bacteria. Yeah, you'll find out all about that in 24 to 48 hours. Now, if you look right here, you'll see how I landed my job as a Jungle Cruise skipper. I had to take a crash course. Yeah, it had a really rough ending, so ever since I've just been winging it. It's pretty plain to see that my career never really took off, but you know, that's the tail end of that story, so I don't know how that happened. Oh no, and look at this, we're now entering a hippo lagoon, and although these guys may look friendly, I promise they're actually pretty ferocious creatures. I mean, just last week, they sank 6 of our boats. But don't worry, don't worry. Only 5 of those 6 boats were mine, so you're in really good hands. I think we're just about safe, so that's good. And, oh no, this is what I think it is. We are not safe. We're now entering headhunter territory, and boy, this is a terrible place to be headed. It really is. Oh no, and look at this. The natives are dancing up and down. That can only mean one thing. Jerry lost the key to the restroom again. Good going, Jerry! He's the worst. Anyways, I've also heard that the natives like to ambush the boats out in these areas. Oh no. Oh no, it's an ambush! No, everyone get down! Everyone get down! Everyone get down! I'm doing that for you. It's an arrow, pull it out and throw it back. We're not allowed to keep souvenirs. That was really scary, but I think we made it out alive. It's just in time for the moment to go away. The wonder of the world, the dark side of water! Very cool, huh? The backside of water is incredibly unique. You can only view it out here in the jungle. Do not try to view the backside of water from your own home. You will hit your head on the faucet. I know that. We're now entering the Mekong River deep in the heart of Cambodia. Here in Cambodia, there are many temples just like this one up ahead. And they could lead to just about anything. They could lead to danger. They could lead to excitement. They could lead to adventures. But let's be honest, we are in Disney World. It'll probably lead us to a gift shop.
keeps doing the.
Wow, that was a really scary temple, but I think we made it out alive. And we're now entering a secret Indian elephant bathing pool. This is where all these guys come to take their baths. Now this just goes to show, if you shower too much, not only will you become wrinkly, you will also turn into an elephant. So please be careful. That would be really tragic. Now if you'd like to take any photos of them, go right on ahead. Take as many as you'd like, and don't be embarrassed. They all have their trunks on today. Yeah. Also, many people ask if that's water coming out of their noses. I'm really sorry to break it to you, but it's not. Oh no, are they spraying the boats again? Oh no. Oh no, everyone duck, 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 duck. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I apologize. He's an elephant, not a goose. Yeah, I was really bad at zoology in high school, okay? I'm sorry. But I was really good at botany. So I'll show you guys some of my very favorite jungle plants. So if you look way up there, you'll see a hibiscus. Right there. Now if you look directly below the hibiscus, you'll see a lobiscus. Yeah, nature is beautiful, right? All right, now no jungle cruise would truly be complete without visiting Trader Sam up here on our left. Now Trader Sam is our head salesman of the jungle, but as you may notice, his sales have been shrinking lately. Yeah, I know, it's kind of a cutthroat business that he's in. So he's got this killer deal going on, and each of his heads for just one of yours. Yeah, if you want to take them up on the offer, I think it's a great deal. Any way you slice it or dice it, you'll always come out ahead. He's a great salesman. All right, now here's the most dangerous portion of our cruise, the return to civilization. So please remember to stay seated with all hands, arms, feet, legs, head, shoulders, knees and toes inside the boat, especially when we approach the pier there. I don't want you guys to experience any unnecessary peer pressure. Yeah, it wasn't fun in middle school. It isn't fun now. Don't do it.
It's raining.
Also, whenever you stand up, like the folks up ahead, please be careful. This is a real boat, so it rocks. You really don't want to be here for rolls, okay? Trust me. It's a real headbanger. Yeah, you'll bang your head on all the poles here, and they're heavy devils, so don't do that. Also, whenever you stand up, try to keep everyone on this side and around the engine connecting out the back door. Everyone on the center and on this side connecting out that front door for me, please. And don't cross over any of those center crates. It's really not a great idea. It's the Jungle Cruise, not the Jungle Gym. Also, crossing over is more of a haunted mansion thing, okay? We don't do that here. You're much too young. It's not your time. Don't cross over just yet, okay? Whenever you are ready for that, go to the haunted mansion. All right, now we've together. We have cried